All you wanna do was have fun. Now it's 35 different places I lived in my life. 27 different schools I went to.
It started at the age of 5, my daddy left the house. Pushed me in the trash and hit my mama in the mouth. We was trying to be a family, but he was wanting out. Always cheating, creeping, trying to be the man up with the loud. Juvenile, diabetic, my mom was on her own. Couldn't work, she had 3 kids, so then we lost our home. Then she got another man, didn't wanna be alone. But he was a violent ex-con that had her bleeding from the dome. We moved through different states, didn't know where I would wake up. Moved to hoods and reservations, violent crime was major. At the age of 6, I witnessed my first homicide. They raped a little chicken and the throat got slit next to the rod. Kids up on the res, the way we live would make you cry. Parents selling daughters just so they could drink the wine. Left in the dark house, my stepdad drinking with my mother. Nothing to eat but corn syrup and peanut butter.
These are the blank pages of my life. Sometimes I gotta sit back and think. And when I think too much, then I have to
Purchase
go
your
out
track
and
now
drink.
and
These are
receive
the
an
blank
untagged
pages of
version
my life. Sometimes I gotta sit back and think. And when I think too much, then I have to go out and drink.
Moved back from the rest of Cali at the age of 9. My stepdad was addicted to a career life of crime. I guess you could say how they raised me was strange, bitch. At the dinner table, federal dip was a main dish. My stepdad used to beat my ass for messing with his dope. A line on the coffee table got me sick and cold. He Kimbo sliced an eyeball for some shit that they spoke. Then he kicked out a light bulb cause his cast was short. I used to go out with him on runs reloading what he sold. My 10th birthday was the shit, that's for sure. But he still beat my ass cause I wasn't of his own. By the time I was 11, my mom told him to go. I never did the dinners, a young native in the city. Always had big dreams, but how I lived was so shitty. I wasn't black or white, Mexican or Asian. Getting jumped constantly by groups of kids that's hating.
These are the blank pages of my life. Sometimes I gotta sit back and think. And when I think too much, then I have to go out and drink. These are the blank pages of my life. Sometimes I gotta sit back and think. And when I think too much, then I have to go out and drink.
At the age of 14, said fuck it, joined a gang. The night they jumped me in, I was drunk and enjoyed the pain. My cousins out in Long Beach put me on the game and taught me how to rhyme and rap to get me to the fame. Like the way that money always made me feel good. Had to get that cash but got expelled for being a dealer. Used to make pipe bombs and blow shit up for fun. That was way before the war began, man, we were so dumb. People in my crew started done, so I left the state. My mom's called my uncle to send me out, she didn't hesitate. Then my cousin got killed by the bullets out in Long Beach. And Snoop Dogg put it in a video, that's wrong. She always stayed away cause I hated how she raised me. But then my mother died and that shit made me go crazy. And no one else was there but my lady out in AZ. So I moved out to the reservation and started making babies.
These are the blank pages of my life. Sometimes I gotta sit back and think. And when I think